Yeah, umenipiga bonge la surprise. You are fun master, peke yangu haiwezekani, usingekuwa upande wangu Bwana, maadui wangenineza hai. Yes, thank you, everybody. Welcome to this amazing episode. It's actually an amazing moment I want to take to actually educate the world about this amazing information maybe that you have been lacking outside there. First of all, my name is Eddie Okumu. I want to talk about actually, I've been working with a network marketing company for quite some good years. For the experience that I have, the feedback, the information that I've been having for about 2 years, I've got it wise to educate the world, the girls out there. And whatever we are going to talk about this moment is about related to our women empowerment side, how our girls, our women normally face during challenges during their monthly periods. Now I've just picked a very strategic area that most people doesn't have know-how about, or most people doesn't know what exactly it entails. Now what we are going to talk about is we know about the sanitary pads, and among the sanitary pads that are used by women during their during their monthly periods comes in different species. Now whatever I've picked on today is simply directly related to the magnetic strip availability in the sanitary pad. So that is what I'm going to base my attention on. We may go ahead and talk about some various topics like hormonal imbalance, some various reasons or some various possible ways on how you can handle yourself during these stages or during this stage of your periods. And these are some of the things we are going to discuss now. Let us hit directly and get started. So get ready to learn. You are going to learn so many things on this so that you can also educate the rest of the world. So I'm going to base my attention strictly on the magnetic strip sanitary pads. Now, magnetic strip sanitary pads often combine with anion, negative ion, and far-infrared technology aim to improve menstrual health by enhancing blood circulation, reducing odor, and alleviating cramps. These strips are designed to boost comfort and hygiene by releasing ions that may kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. Key functions and benefits of magnetic strips in sanitary pads include the following. Number 1, enhance blood circulation and pain relief. The magnetic field is intended to improve microcirculation in the pelvic area, which can help reduce menstrual cramps and discomfort. Odor elimination. The strips, that is number 2, the strips often called anion or magnetic chips help to eliminate, decompose, and reduce unusual smells associated with menstrual blood and secretions. Number 3, antibacterial properties. The technology helps to create a hygienic environment with some studies suggesting they can kill bacteria, reduce infection, and reduce itching. Number 4, improve comfort. They are often found in ultra-soft, breathable pads designed to reduce irritation and keep the user dry and comfortable. Metabolic support. Metabolic support as a benefit. The magnetic field may help accelerate the removal of metabolic waste and improve the overall comfort of the user during their period. Note: these pads are generally designed to provide a more therapeutic, health-conscious alternative to traditional sanitary napkins. What are magnetic sanitary pads? Magnetic sanitary pads are a type of menstrual pad that incorporate magnets into their design. The idea is that the magnetic elements can provide additional benefits beyond typical absorption and comfort. These pads usually feature a layer or strips containing small magnets that claim to have therapeutic properties. How do magnetic strip or magnetic sanitary pads work? Magnetic sanitary pads are designed with embedded magnets that create a magnetic field. The theory behind these pads is that the magnetic field can help improve blood circulation and provide relief from the menstrual discomfort. Here's a basic overview of how they are believed to work. Magnetic field creation. The magnets in the pad create a magnetic field that interacts with your body own magnetic field. This interaction is thought to enhance blood flow and reduce muscle tension. Improve circulation. The magnetic field is believed to improve better circulation in the pelvic area. Improved blood flow can potentially reduce cramps and discomfort associated with menstruation. Therapeutic effects. Some proponents of magnetic therapy claim that the magnetic field can have calming effects on the body and help alleviate stress and discomfort during your periods. How to use the right magnetic strip pads. How do you use the right magnetic strip pads? What do you check? Number one, check for the magnetic quality. When selecting magnetic sanitary pads, ensure that they contain high-quality magnets. Look for information on the strength and type of magnet used. Some pads may feature stronger or more concentrated magnetic fields than others. Consider absorption capacity. Choose a pad with an absorption capacity that fits your flow. Magnetic pads come with various absorbency levels, so select one that matches your needs. This ensures that you receive both effective protection and potential therapeutic benefits. Look for comfort features. Comfort is key when choosing any sanitary pad. Look for magnetic pads that are made from soft, breathable materials. Features like wings or a contour design can also enhance comfort and prevent leaks. Check for skin-friendly materials. Opt for pads made from hypoallergenic and skin-friendly material, especially if you have sensitive skin. The pad should be gentle on your skin and not cause irritation or discomfort. Evaluate customer reviews. Reading customer reviews can provide insight into the effectiveness and comfort of magnetic sanitary pads. Look for feedback from users who have experienced the benefits of magnetic therapy to help you make an informed decision. How to use magnetic strip pads. Regular usage guidelines are also here. Let us hoover into them and see. So follow regular usage guidelines. Even though magnetic sanitary pads often offer added advantages or benefits, it is important to use them according to the regular guidelines for sanitary pads. Change your pad regularly to maintain hygiene and prevent leaks. Wear the right size. Choose a pad that matches your floor and actually fits comfortably. Magnetic sanitary pads come in various sizes, so select one that provides adequate coverage and protection for your needs. Dispose properly. Dispose Disposed of used pads in a sanitary manner. Many magnetic sanitary pads come with discrete wrappers for easy disposal. Follow a local guide for disposal to ensure cleanliness and environmental responsibility. So this one you can follow with your maybe medical advisor or how the disposal should be done. Store properly. Keep your magnetic sanitary pads in a cool, dry place to maintain their effectiveness. Avoid storing them in damp or humid conditions to ensure they remain in good condition. Now, let us try to compare magnetic sanitary pads to other options. We have versus traditional magnetic sanitary pads versus traditional pads. Traditional pads offer reliable absorption and comfort but do not include magnetic therapy. Magnetic sanitary pads provide additional protection or other potential benefits through their magnetic elements, making them a unique alternative for you as the person using it. We have magnetic sanitary pads versus panty liners. Panty liners are designed for a light floor or daily use and do not offer the same level of absorption as magnetic sanitary pads. Magnetic sanitary pads are better suited for managing heavier flows and providing therapeutic benefits. Magnetic strip pads versus menstrual cups. Now, menstrual cups are reusable and offer a different form of protection. They do not provide magnetic therapy but can be a sustainable choice for period management. Magnetic sanitary pads, on the other hand, offer disposable convenience and potential additional benefits. Now, let me show you the yoga during your period benefits, pause, and comfort tips. So yoga looks this way. This is how yoga looks. Okay, so we are going to see the pause, the benefits. How should you be pausing yourself during the time you are on your periods? So look at this, the yoga. Look at how the legs are spread. Look at how the hand is placed over your head. You see the pose. So this is very suitable. So let us go and see now. Yoga can be a fantastic way to manage the physical and emotional symptoms associated with your period. Whether you are dealing with cramps, bloating, or mood swings, incorporating yoga into your routine can help you feel more balanced and at ease. This guide explores the benefits of practicing yoga during your period, provides specific poses that can offer relief, and offers practical tips for maintaining a comfortable and beneficial practice. Benefits of yoga during your periods. Why should you go for yoga? Pause. Reduces menstrual cramps. Pain relief. Yoga helps release endorphism or endorphins, which are natural painkillers that can alleviate menstrual cramps. Yoga increases blood flow. Certain yoga poses improve blood circulation in the pelvic region, which can reduce cramping and discomfort, relieves bloating and fatigue, decreases bloating. Gentle stretch and poses can help reduce bloating by improving digestion and reducing water retention. Boosts energy. Yoga practices, especially those that focus on deep breathing, can help combat fatigue and increase overall energy levels, improves mood, eases mood swings. Yoga promotes relaxation and mindfulness, which can help manage mood swings and irritability associated with PMS. Reduces stress. Okay, the calming effect of yoga can help lower stress and anxiety, improving your overall emotional well-being. Yoga poses for period relief. How do you pose for yoga now? We have the first one, child pose. How to do it? Kneel on the floor with your big toes touching, and knees spread apart. I believe you have seen it up there. Sit back on your heels, then stretch your arms forward and lower your forehead to the ground. Hold this position for 1 to 2 minutes only. Benefits: this restorative pose helps relieve lower back pain and menstrual cramps. It also promotes relaxation and reduces stress. We have cat cow pose. Cat cow pose. How to do it? Start on your hands and knees with your wrist aligned under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, arch your back and lift your head and tailbone. Cow pose. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin to your chest. Cat pose. Alternate between these two positions for about 1 to 2 minutes as well. Benefits: this flow improves flexibility in the spine and can help alleviate or elevate lower back pain and bloating. Supine twist. Supine twist. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Drop your knees to one side while extending your arms out to the sides and turning your head in the opposite direction. Hold for 1 minute on each side. Benefits: this pose helps relieve abdominal bloating and improves digestion. It also gently stretches the spine and hips. Legs up, the wall pose. How to do it? Sit close to a wall and lie on your back. Extend your legs up the wall and place your arms at your sides with the palms facing up. Hold for 5 to 10 minutes. That process. Benefits: this pose helps reduce swelling and fatigue in the legs and alleviates menstrual cramps. It also promotes relaxation and improves circulation. Seated forward bend. How do you do it, or how to do it? Sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale as you reach forward toward your feet. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes. Benefits: this pose stretches the hamstrings and lower back, relieving tension and cramps. It also helps calm the mind and reduces stress. Tips for practicing yoga during your period: listen to your body, adapt poses, modify or skip poses that feel uncomfortable. It's actually important to choose movements that feel good for you during your periods. Rest when needed. Take breaks or use props like bolsters or blankets to support your body and enhance comfort. Use gentle practices. Avoid intense inversions during your period. It may be best to avoid deep inversions like headstands or handstands, which can increase discomfort. Focus on restorative yoga. Emphasize gentle and restorative poses that promote relaxation rather than vigorous or strenuous activities. Stay hydrated. You need to stay hydrated. Drink water. Keep hydrated before and after your yoga practice. Proper hydration can help reduce bloating and support overall well-being. Wear comfortable clothing. Choose breathable fabrics. Option for moisture wicking. Comfortable clothing that allows you to move freely and stay comfortable during your practice. Practice mindfulness. Deep breathing. Incorporate deep breathing techniques into your practice to enhance relaxation and manage stress. Mindful movements. Pay attention to how your body feels in each pose and adjust your practices accordingly. When to keep yoga. Severe symptoms. Intense pain. If you are experiencing severe menstrual cramps, nausea, or other debilitating symptoms, it might be best to skip yoga and focus on rest and self-care. Heavy bleeding. If you are dealing with very heavy bleeding or find it difficult to manage, prioritized comfort and rest. Medical conditions. Consult your doctor. If you have conditions like endometriosis or other health issues that significantly impact your period, consult with a healthcare provider before starting or continuing your yoga practices. Let us go. So let us to talk about some hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalance in your menstrual cycle. You are going to see some causes and some treatment, maybe tips. Okay, so maybe you are wondering about hormonals. Now, the role of hormonal imbalance, or first of all, maybe we can check what is hormonal imbalance. Okay, now hormonal imbalance occurs when there is too much or too little, or one or more hormones in your body. More hormones in your body. This imbalance can disrupt the normal functioning of your menstrual cycle. Key hormones in the menstrual cycle: estrogen, progesterone. We have follicle stimulating hormone (FSH). We have luteinizing hormone (LH), and prostaglandins. That is also there. Prostaglandins. The role of hormonal imbalance in your menstrual cycle. Hormones are essential chemicals in your body that regulate various functions, including your menstrual cycle. When these hormones are balanced, your cycle runs smoothly. However, when there is an imbalance, it can cause a range of issues: irregular periods, too much estrogen or too little progesterone, high levels of estrogen or low levels of progesterone can cause irregular periods. You might experience very heavy bleeding, light spotting, or periods that are too frequent or infrequent. Heavy bleeding, menophagia, high estrogen levels. When estrogen levels are too high, it can cause the uterine lining to thicken more than usual, leading to heavy menstrual bleeding. Skipped periods, low estrogen levels. When estrogen levels are too low, you might miss periods altogether. This can help due to stress, significant weight loss, excessive exercise, or conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS). Painful periods. painful periods. Now, under painful period, let's discuss this. High prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are chemicals that cause the uterus to contract. High levels can lead to severe menstrual cramps, PMS, premenstrual syndrome, and PMDD, premenstrual dystrophic disorder. So let's talk about the premenstrual dysphoric disorder, that is the PMDD, premenstrual dysphoric disorder. Hormonal fluctuations, rapid changes in hormones levels, especially estrogen and progesterone. Progesterone can cause symptoms like mood swings, irritability, bloating, and breast tenderness. In severe cases, it can lead to PMDD. It can also lead to PMDD that you have seen there, which is premature dysphoric disorder, which has more intense emotional and physical symptoms. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, imbalance of FSH and LH, luteinizing hormone, and PCOS is a condition where the balance of FSH and LH is disrupted, leading to irregular periods, excessive hair growth, acne, and weight gain. Common causes of hormonal imbalance: 1. Stress, diet and nutrition, weight changes, exercise, medical conditions, medications. How to manage hormonal imbalance: healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, adequate sleep, avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol. Consult a health care provider. Now, if you experience severe symptoms or suspect a hormonal imbalance, consult a healthcare provider. They can diagnose any underlying conditions and recommend an appropriate treatment. Products: number 1, magnetic energy sanitary pads. Number 2, antibacterial sanitary pads, ultra thin sanitary pads, and then lastly regular. So even number 1 there is magnetic energy sanitary pads. One of the pads that I'm going to show you just shortly. Alright, so let us talk about heavy menstrual flow, causes, symptoms, and treatment. Heavy menstrual flow, causes, symptoms, and treatment. Heavy menstrual flow or menorrhagia is when you experience unusually heavy bleeding during your period. This can be uncomfortable and disruptive, but understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatment options can help you manage Right, let's go. So we have said that heavy menstrual flow or menophagia is when you experience usually heavy bleeding during your period. This can be uncomfortable and disruptive, but understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatment options can help you manage it effectively. So let's break down simple terms down here. Now, what is heavy menstrual flow? So heavy menstrual flow means losing more blood than usual during your period. While everyone's flow is different. Heavy bleeding typically means soaking through one or more pads or tampons every hour or needing to change them frequently. You might also notice large blood clots or bleeding that lasts longer than a week. Common causes of a heavy menstrual flow: hormonal imbalances. We have uterine fibroids, endometriosis, pelvic inflammatory diseases (PID), medications, pregnancy complications, thyroid disorders. So let us see the symptoms of a heavy menstrual flow. Symptoms: number 1, soaking through pads or tampons frequently, changing your pad or tampon every hour or even more often. Symptoms of heavy menstrual flow. Soaking through pads or tampons frequently, changing your pad or tampon every hour or even more often. Large blood clots, passing large clots of blood during your period. Prolonged bleeding, your period lasting longer than a week. Severe cramping, intense cramps that are worse than usual. Fatigue, feeling unusually tired or weak due to blood loss. Treatment options for heavy menstrual flow: lifestyle changes, over-the-counter medications, hormonal birth control, medication to reduce bleeding, iron supplements. Now, when do you need to see the doctor? Okay, so it is important to see a doctor if you experience heavy menstrual flow that affects your daily life or causes severe discomfort. Is Okay, now is accompanied by symptoms like dizziness or shortness of breath, persist despite trying home remedies or over the counter treatments. Now let us see irregular periods, common causes, treatment, and also simple solutions. Okay, so you can look at this. Good. We also have managing periods after childbirth, tips and postpartum relief. So these ones also are very key. I will get it from here now. So something I want us to maybe over into and talk about is what are the benefits of magnetic pads like these ones. So I'm introducing you this amazing sanitary pad here. So this brand, there are so many brands in the market. I believe you have seen so many brands that I want to mention here. But today, let us talk about this brand, Healthy Living Super Sanitary Pad. So this is a very powerful brand that has been there. I've known about it. It's my favorite pad. I can recommend to any girl, to any woman out there. Why? The reason is the magnetic field is thought to help reduce. By the way, this healthy living pad, it has got a magnetic strip inside it. Okay, so the magnetic field is thought to help reduce muscle tension and improve blood flow, which may ease the intensity of which may ease Okay, so let us talk about this amazing pad here. You can see it. So magnetic energy pads are designed to offer the same comfort as regular pads, but with the added benefit or health benefits of magnetic therapy. Good. So this is the pad. Now this one here in pink is for normal, for heavy flow. For if you are undergoing heavy flow, you can use this one. Then you also have this one in blue color. So this one with blue color is used for normal flow. Then here we have the panty liner, the one in green in color. So this one is the panty liner. You have seen them now. Okay, so benefits of healthy living sanitary pads. Number one, it is super high absorbent pad to keep you dry all day. Ultra slim pads for all day comfort and confidence. It has got the super soft cotton to prevent irritation and itchiness. Premium soft surface for ultra comfort and freshness the whole day. Extra large wings to prevent side leakages. And then we have onion and fur. In fur, we have already seen that probably at the beginning, and may help reduce the menstrual discomfort. Onion and fur IR eliminates odor and kills bacteria. Okay, good. We have next one is soft air laid paper enhances softness and freshness. Breathable bottom layer eliminates moisture and heat, keeping you fresh all day. Okay. Individually packed pads are for locked hygiene. High quality film package for enhanced hygiene. Soothing and refreshness, menstrual scent. It has got soothing and refreshing natural scent. Now, what is the use of magnetic strip? Innovative ways to use magnetic strips. Magnetic strips often actually offer endless possibilities for improving organization, efficiency, and communication within your business. So these are the benefits of this amazing sanitary pad here I've shown you. Now drop your orders. You can buy your pad, start having freedom. You can buy your pad from our agents. We are all over the country. The number is going to be dropped down there below this video. So have the number. We do countrywide deliveries, and I want to wish you all the best, because this is the time now you have decided to go for freedom. And when you have decided to go for freedom, that is actually the best thing you can ever do for yourself. So I don't have much to say. We are going to meet in our next video, whereby maybe I will be talking about maybe some other thing when it's related to human reproductive system or health. So I want to wish you the very best for now. Make use of this, and also hit us and get on your product today. Get your healthy living product, and also get help, get freedom. Thank you so much.